Today, the suicidal rate in Thailand stands at 70 people for every 100,000 of the Thai population. The attempts of people trying to take their own lives is 10 times of that number. Depression is one of the mental disorders contributing to the acts, a mental issue to become deadly. And if prevention is easier than cure, applying artificial intelligence to detect potential depression before it's too late may be the lifesaver. This episode of Chula Innovations Unlocked, we talk to Associate Professor Dr. Peerapon Vateekul, Computer Engineering Lecturer and Researcher, to learn more about DMIND, the AI-installed application that could save lives. Chula Innovations Unlocked this week on Chula Radio Plus FM 101.5 and through various online platforms.